beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about transformation, not just the physical, but the kind that starts in your mind. When you change the way you think changes. And when that shift happens, magic begins. You start taking inspired action toward the life and body of your dreams. But here's the key. You have to first believe that you are worthy of that dream life and that dream body. In today's video, I'm taking you through my own mindset breakthrough and the inspired actions I took this week to align my life with the dreams I've been holding back on for so long. If you're ready, let's dive in. Last week, during one of my journaling sessions, I had a huge realization that the only person holding me back from achieving my dreams, going on the trips that I want, visiting my family, creating my dream business, or even just buying the things that I desire was me. For so long, I believed that it was someone else, circumstances, finances, or even other people that stood in my way. But the truth? I was the one telling myself that I wasn't worthy. And the beautiful thing about that realization is that I have the power to change it. For example, one of the things I've been holding myself back from for years is buying a new mattress. It might sound simple, but it was so much bigger than that. With 2 dogs, a 6-year-old, we've outgrown our queen size bed. But upgrading to a king felt like such a luxury. A new mattress, bed frame, nightstand so it fits in the area, new sheets. It all just felt too indulgent. Like I wasn't worthy of spending that money on myself and my family. But last week, I cleared that belief. I realized I am worthy of the life that feels good. A bedroom that feels like a sanctuary, and a mattress that lets my family sleep comfortably. And once I made that decision, the universe showed up for me. I found the perfect bed frame right off of my Pinterest board, and I went to Mattress Firm to get a mattress that was actually a lower cost point, but the universe showed up, and I got my dream mattress for 55% off, which allowed me to spend exactly my budget on the mattress that I wanted and get my absolute dream mattress. And honestly, you guys, that's how fast things shift when you decide that you are worthy and start taking inspired action. It's not just about painting walls or buying furniture. It's about creating space for the life that you want. So I spent the day clearing out my bedroom and creating a sanctuary that I have been dreaming of. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, we need to have a talk really quick, okay? So at the beginning of this video, we talked about the mindset shift that I had gone through, right? And Saturday, I took inspired aligned action. And before I even bought my bed frame or the mattress, I was like, it's happening. This is happening right now. I painted my bedroom the color that I'd always wanted it to be. It looks perfect. And I was like, honey, we're going down to, because I always like to shop local as much as I can. We go down to the mattress store and I get this mattress 55% off. Okay, this is a very expensive mattress that I had on my vision board that I've wanted for a really long time. My bed currently is a Beauty Rest. It was the top of the line Beauty Rest back from almost 12 years ago. And it's time. Like, it's time for a new bed. We've got a daughter, we've got 2 big dogs, and we like to snuggle in bed. The thing that's been holding me back is that we want a king. Because of the space in our bedroom, it's not just changing the bed frame, it's the bed frame, the mattress, the nightstands, it's all of the things, okay? I digress. I took the aligned action on our way out the door to the mattress store. This box was sitting on my front porch. Now, Popflex is a brand that's on my vision board right back here that I want to work with. They reached out to me several weeks ago and they were like, hey, if you're interested in an opportunity with working with us, send us your sizes and we'll let you know. Nobody let me know. I sent in my sizes of the things that I like and the colors that I like, but they didn't tell me anything. There's no, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. So we're gonna open this box. Okay, this is so exciting. And it's so exciting because my Pop Flex activewear review is one of my top performing videos on my channel. I will link it above and in the description box down below. As you guys know, I wear the blanket pants. I literally wore them this morning. I wear them every morning. I love them so much. So I'm so freaking excited to see what's in this box. So we're gonna open it together because it just goes to show that when you change your mindset and you start taking aligned action, the universe is very quick to respond, okay? So, they sent me. Hey Charlene, I love the life lessons from your daughter. So sweet. Anyway, I can't wait for you to get this box. It holds some of my personal faves. Let me know when you get this. Heart, Kristen at Pop Flex. So they watched my YouTube channel. Obviously my daughter's on my YouTube channel. So fun. Oh, they sent a cute little sticker, which I'm gonna give to Liv. So cute. The pirouette skirt, we love her. Let's see what they sent us, okay? High-waisted, super short. The corset crop top, cute. High-rise crisscross hourglass leggings. Corset bra. Okay, it's a cloud zip hoodie, which I'm so excited about, and it's my favorite. It's white. If you know, you know. I'm a white girly. I love white sweatshirts. They're my favorite. Okay. So let's quickly do a little try on haul with hello beautiful souls. I just wanted to pop in here and just say that if you're enjoying this video, it would mean the world to me if you would click that like button and subscribe. Come join this beautiful community. I also wanted to quickly let you know that Thrive the Holidays is back. So if you missed round 1 of Thrive the Holidays, round 2 is going to be here before you know it. We start Monday, December 2nd. So if you are ready to create some new healthy habits and stay on track with your healthy lifestyle through the holiday season and through the end of the year so that you start January 1st ready to go and already on top of your healthy habits. You guys, round 1 went so good that we just had to do it again, okay? And for the next couple days, you guys, it's on Black Friday sale. So you don't want to miss the opportunity to get into Thrive the Holidays on the Black Friday sale. So comment Thrive in the comments down below and I will send you the link to get signed up. And without further ado, let's get back into the video. The new Pop Flex clothes. Okay, pink princess. Like, cute. Okay, so what I want to just say is that I think this is so much fun because these are not typically pieces I would pick for myself. One, I'm not a runner and I've seen like running shorts like this on all the girlies that are out there, you know, doing their marathons and they're super cute. I'm not a runner, which is totally fine, but they're actually really cute and they're super comfortable. All of my bottoms are in a size small and my tops are in a size medium. I asked for that because when I did my last review many years ago now, the tops that I had gotten are a size small and for the compression wise, they were good compression, but I have psoriatic arthritis and I hold a lot of my pain in my rib cage and down my spine. And so when sports bras are too tight, I feel like I'm suffocating. So honestly, for this particular sports bra, it's the longer corset and I'm glad that it's a medium because it's not super snug on my tummy. And it's cute. What do you guys, I love this color pink. It's very like bubblegummy girly pink and I'm a girly pink. I'm back in my pink girl era. I have like 6 pairs of pink leggings and I used to wear them every single day and then I stopped and went really neutral because I love neutrals and I'm in my pink girl era again. I'm getting my pink back. If you know, you know. And yeah, so I am loving this. It's really comfortable. The material is super stretchy and soft and I don't feel like it's suffocating me. I also feel like supported. Again, I don't have really big boobs. I am a 34C, but just with all of the material, I feel very supported in this. The shorts are comfortable. They have pockets. We love that, and their pockets are always good. The material is nice and thick, super cute, super cute. Again, not something I would normally pick for myself, but I really like it. Let's look at this back. Cute. Cute and flattering, okay? We like that. Okay, oh, let's see, hold on. because it's pink. I love pink and white. I am so excited for the zipper hoodie. Okay, so I have their cloud white hoodie and I love it. Like, I love the hood. It's such a romantic, beautiful hood. But for me personally, again, because of the arthritis, the neck comes up so high that I feel like I'm suffocating. So I've been wanting a zip hoodie, and in a small medium. All of my other ones I got in a extra small because I thought they were way oversized, and they're not. So I'm like so excited. Girl, this is it. The small medium is where it's at. Okay, no thumb holes. Normally she has thumb holes, but we don't have thumb holes, which is fine. I love this personally because I like being able to tuck in. I love a big cozy sweater. Now I can bunch it up so we have like the cute cropped look, but this also has the ability to just like stretch down, which I love. The big pockets, do an off the shoulder moment. The beautiful white, you guys. The embroidering, always so classic, classy. We love that. Love that it's the same color. It's not anything crazy. The hood is where it's at, you guys. So good. This is the sweat. I think I just needed the bigger size. Love. This is, you're gonna see me in this. Like, this is the new hoodie. I've been in my neutral girl hoodie and now I'm back in my white girl hoodie phase. It's so soft on the inside. I'm a happy girl. Okay, let's change into outfit number 2. Okay, again, not normally a style I would choose for myself, but I'm really glad that they sent it, okay? So here's the deal. I'm a mama and I carry my weight on my stomach. Like, some people carry it in their thighs, some people carry it in their arms, some people carry it in their stomach. I carry mine in my stomach, always have. And also I had a baby and I've been heavier than this, so I just tend to have a little extra skin on my stomach. No hate, no shame, but what I notice is that with a lot of cross-waisted pants or shorts is that the top band tends to be a little bit tighter because it's double material. So I don't normally go for the cross-waisted band. Just cuts into my stomach in a way that's not flattering and it's not comfortable. I'm surprised. Like, these they're not cutting into me at all. They're super soft. These are brushed fabric. It's the same fabric as the last bra, so it's thick but not too thick. It's super buttery soft. Like, it's so soft and so comfortable. It's a 27-inch length, so it goes all the way down to my ankles, which I love for winter because it's so cold. It's like 30 degrees when I wake up in the morning and I just need the full length leggings right now. Again, leggings are small, top is a medium. My only thing that I struggle with is that I need a medium band and shorter arms. I have a really short distance. I've said this in other videos, but I have like the distance from here to here for me is just super short. That's why I tend to go for adjustable strapped bras. Like, that one is adjustable. This one is not. But so cute. Love the back. The band feels so comfortable. And this is the size that I need. I could not wear a small. It would be too tight for sure. My only concern is that I feel like it might slip off my shoulders. For me personally, most people don't have this issue. It just happens to be me. That's just like a thing that has always been for me. But not as supportive as the other bra, probably because it has less material. And also maybe I just need to like, see, I have it pulled down so that the arms, so that these guys don't fall off. But if I pull it up like right under my bust where it probably should be, the shoulders just become like, can you guys see that? Like, if I pull it up, they're like just a little bit too short. That has a little bit more support around my chest for bounce wise. But lately I have not been doing a lot of HIIT or anything. It's been yoga and heavy weightlifting, which does not include jumping around. So this would work really well and it's really comfortable, and that's what we're going for. I'm actually in a little bit of a flare right now, which is totally fine. Buttery soft materials. This is what we want. This is what we want, and they're so comfortable. Pockets. You guys, pockets. My other Pop Flex leggings tend to stretch out a little bit, so I'm curious to see if these ones stretch out or if they'll hold their shape, but I really like them. I'm excited. I'm actually just gonna wear this. I'm gonna stay in this the rest of the day because I need to take my dogs for a walk. I might do some yoga. I've got to do some editing, and we might as well be so cute and so comfortable. So you'll see me living my best life in athleisure wear because thank you, Pop Flex. Thank you, Kristen, so much for reaching out and sending me these free clothes. You guys, I will link to everything in the description box down below. So good, really so good. I'm so happy. There's nothing better than a really cozy sweater, especially on a day like today. So without further ado, we're gonna get set up for dinner tonight because it's a busy day for me and I have been just craving soups. I just want really delicious soup. We're gonna make a chicken paprika stew for dinner tonight. It's super quick, super easy. But yeah, so we're gonna make a cozy soup in just a little bit. But for now, I need to get some editing done. Thanks again to Pop Flex. I love you, and we're gonna go make a cozy recipe together in just a little bit. To close out this beautiful day, I am making one of my favorite nourishing meals, paprika chicken stew. It's perfect for these cool winter months, and it's packed with flavor and nutrients to fuel your body for the inspired action that you're gonna take. Here's your reminder. Taking inspired action isn't just about big changes. It's in the little things too, like preparing meals that make you feel good inside and out. So beautiful souls, remember this. When you shift your thoughts, your actions follow. And when your actions align with the life you dream of, the universe moves mountains to support you. Whether it's buying a mattress, upgrading your space, or simply making a nourishing meal, every step matters. You are worthy of the life that you desire. Start believing it. Start taking action and watch the magic unfold. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope that this inspired you to look at the mindset shifts that you might need to be making in your life or that you want to make in your life so that you can achieve the life and the dreams that you desire. And if you want to see the full bedroom makeover, then come back next week and you will get to see the entire bedroom makeover and what it looks like compared to what my Pinterest board looked like. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot out of this video, and don't forget to comment Thrive in the comments down below if you want to join us for round 2 of Thrive the Holidays. You guys, we already have so many people signed up and I am so excited. I cannot wait to support more women through the holiday season. Don't forget, there's all the live elements of daily group support, 2 live check-in calls with me so that you can ask questions, get the support you need, get encouraged by the other women in the group. I absolutely cannot wait to support you. So comment Thrive in the comments down below, and don't forget, it's still on Black Friday sale, so get it while it's on sale. Cannot wait. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.